Okay, now we're going to talk about colors. We already talked about this when we were discussing about the background, and we know that the colors can have a color name, so I can use the property background color here, or even I can set up a color of a font or of a table and of a link, of a text, and so on. Here you see color, font, color, white, or you have body text blue. I can format the text or the background. The text is blue, the background is green. The table background is this one, but the font color is this. Okay, so I use the name like this, green, black, white, or the hexadecimal value like here, this one, or the RGB value like here and here. Okay, where we have the different level of red, green, and blue. So from 0 to 255. Okay, so we have the maximum value of here of red, of green, and of blue. Here the minimum one. Okay, so if you're going to execute this one, here we are. Use different colors name for the body and table. Okay, here is black. Here where the text is blue, the text is blue. The background is black, the text or the font is white. You can see here like that. Now, I can show you that these are the standard W3C colors. W3C stands for the World Wide Web Consortium, so the 3W Consortium, which is the consortium defining the standards for HTML and so on. Here, if we call black, I'm using the color name, I get this color. For lime, I get this color. So these are the colors that have already a standard name. Then for the hexadecimal colors, you can also find the internet values, and here is a table of comparison with all zeros. I get this color. So usually hexadecimal is done by an hash character plus 6 alphanumeric characters, which can be a letter or a number, zeros here and letters like that, representing a color. Because hexadecimal means that I have 16 values, so from 0 to 9 plus the other 6 are letters. Okay, like this. And then we have also the RGB values, and here 3 zeros, we have the black, here we have the red, and so on. Okay.